they say artificial intelligence, some people think it is just conversational chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Meta AI. It is easy to view AI as a merely digital system that writes emails or answers trivia. However, over the next few decades, the technological waves driven by machine learning, computer vision, and predictive analysis will revolutionize virtually every sector of human existence. For many global communities, this leap in efficiency and capability cannot come soon enough. This brings us to Ambassador Otunnu's critical statements on AI and global governance.
With good stewardship of our environment. That's what we should be able to do, so that this is a win-win situation for our world. And I want to say one word about what I call the new economy. The new economy, let me say, we used to speak about the agrarian age and the agrarian revolution, agrarian economy. Then that was succeeded by the Industrial Revolution that burst open, especially in Europe and then all over the world. And now we are still in the informatics age, the age that most of you are part of and are benefiting from, the dot-com group. But it turns out that now we are on the verge of another revolution, a revolution that may dwarf all the other eras which have preceded it, which is the economy of the world, which is going to be shaped and driven by artificial intelligence. I am disappointed that when I move around our schools and universities and communities, our young people are not as clued to this as they should be. This is what is going to shape the world ahead. And so, the Secretary General, if I became Secretary General, I would immediately convene a major conclave, which has technology experts, key member states who are leading in this area, the private sector, and discuss.
As Uganda's officially nominated candidate for United Nations Secretary General, Otunnu has recognized that AI is not just a tech trend, but transformative economic and social force. To understand why his call for international cooperation, regulatory frameworks, and universal benefit is so urgent, we must look at the vast invisible ways AI is already operating in the physical world. While generative AI dominates the headlines, the vast majority of AI operates quietly behind scenes. It is designed to process massive amounts of data, recognize complex patterns, and make real-time decisions that run over essential infrastructure. The agriculture sector is heavily adopting AI to solve labor shortages and optimize crop yields through advanced robotics and spatial awareness. Autonomous pickers and harvesters, these are robots equipped with multi-jointed arms and high-speed cameras navigate orchards using computer vision to evaluate fruit size, ripeness, and quality. They carefully snip and collect the fruit without brushing it, operating day and night, and some are integrated into drones. AI is also already helping in precision spraying, that's smart weeding. Tractors equipped with AI cameras distinguish between crops and weeds in real time, delivering micro doses of herbicide directly to the weed, which reduces chemical usage by up to 80%. Predictive yield analytics also AI analyzes soil sensors, weather patterns, and drone imagery to focus crop yields and optimize irrigation schedules, ensuring water is used exactly where it is needed.
The technology involves the grower or agronomist flying the UAV over different.
In healthcare, AI serves as a highly specialized second set of eyes, analyzing complex biological data faster than a human can. In medical imaging and diagnostics, machine learning models are trained on millions of X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to instantly flag anomalies such as early-stage tumors, microfractures, or signs of stroke, even before they are visible to the human eye.
Potential molecular markers.
In predictive pattern monitoring, AI algorithms constantly analyze real-time vitals, that's heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen levels, to predict critical events like sepsis or cardiac arrest hours before a patient shows visible physical symptoms. There's accelerated drug discovery. AI maps complex molecular structures and simulates how millions of chemical compounds will interact with a disease, shortening drug discovery timelines from years to months. There's also robot-assisted surgery. Surgical robots use AI to stabilize a surgeon's movements, filter out microscopic hand tremors, and provide real-time anatomical overlays during minimally invasive procedures.
Motion at the robot arm portion, which is on the patient's.
Autonomous vehicles, like self-driving cars, use a combination of LiDAR, that's laser mapping, radar, and computer vision to identify pedestrians, read road signs, and make split-second driving decisions. All these are done by AI. There is aviation autopilot. Commercial flights have used AI-assisted autopilot for decades to maintain altitude, adjust to wind shear, and optimize fuel consumption during flight.
Oh my God, it's very bumpy.
In supply chain routing, delivery companies use AI to calculate the most efficient daily routes for thousands of trucks, dynamically adjusting for traffic, package weight, and fuel efficiency. AI is helping daily life, finance, and industry. These invisible algorithms are designed to eliminate friction and enhance security dozens of times a day. Here there is frictionless navigation and security, like Google Maps and Waze analyze historical traffic patterns, construction data, and the current speeds of thousands of cell phones to predict the fastest route in real time. Meanwhile, your phone uses thousands of infrared data points to map the 3D geometry of your face, securely unlocking your device in milliseconds. Your email provider uses machine learning to analyze the origin and language of incoming messages, catching billions of malicious phishing emails daily. All those are AI.
Galileo PRS helps emergency vehicles get to incidents in greater safety.
There's also predictive behaviors. Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon use AV predictive AI to analyze your past behavior against millions of other users to determine exactly what you want next. Similarly, your smartphone keyboard learns your unique phrasing and vocabulary to predict your next word and autocorrect contextually using AI. In financial safeguards, when you swipe your credit card, an AI model instantly compares the transaction's location, size, and merchant against your historical behavior. If anomalous, it blocks the transaction in milliseconds. Financial institutions also use AI to ingest global news and market trends to execute millions of algorithmic micro-trades at speeds impossible for humans. While OCR technology reads handwritten numbers when you deposit a physical check via your mobile app. In industrial precision, high-speed computer vision systems inspect products on assembly lines, identifying microscopic defects faster than human inspectors. AI-connected sensors can on factory equipment also listen for minor changes in vibration or sound, alerting mechanics to predictive maintenance needs weeks before a mechanic fails, preventing massive factory shutdowns in machines. My conclusion will answer why Otunnu is right. The executive scope of these applications proves that artificial intelligence is far more than a novelty. It is the new operating system for the global economy. This is precisely why Otunnu's perspective is correct, because AI now controls vital infrastructure from autonomous transportation and robotic surgery to global financial markets and food supply chains. We cannot leave its regulation solely to private tech companies or fragmented national policies. Otunnu's vision to bring together governments, tech experts, and the private sector to establish a cohesive multilateral framework is both pragmatic and desperately necessary. Furthermore, the applications in precision agriculture and accelerated medical diagnostics hold the power to leapfrog traditional development barriers. Otunnu is right to emphasize that the benefits of these life-saving technologies must reach all communities and humanity as a whole, not just wealthy nations. Technology without equitable governance risks deepening the global divide, but with the coordinated international leadership Otunnu advocates, AI can be safely steered to serve the prosperity and well-being of the entire global community of mankind.